witnesses who were in the detention center with him saw guards using force against him. One of the witnesses said that he saw guards asphyxiating and choking Mr. Lunas Campos. Mr. Lunas Campos saying, "No puedo respirar, no puedo respirar," meaning I can't breathe, I can't breathe. And then they couldn't hear anything else from him. It's basically consistent with the pattern of lies, cover-up, and fabrication by DHS, ICE, and the United States government about its treatment of immigrants in this country.